Here we are grinding a fluted endodontic file from a long bar raw material. The latest development in extreme profile wire grinding combines the rapid profiling of centerless mode with the extreme profile capability of micro-machining. We have the best of both worlds in one grinding process. Reduce cycle times while generating intricate shapes using a combined centerless mode wheel and pushing mode wheel in one grind operation. The machine is like the original Gen X, but with the addition of a fully programmable fourth axis system. The fourth axis wheel is for grinding intricate profile features like helical grooves, ring grooves, points, bumps, and flats. The footprint of this machine has been reduced significantly with the integration of the coolant filter and spool feeder below the base of the grinder. The machine enclosure contains all coolant and moving parts. The access doors allow for complete access when needed. The Lexan panels provide full visibility during process. The original primary wheel with its 1/10 of a micron slideway and the new fourth axis system secondary wheel with its 1/8 of a micron slideway are positioned very close to each other on the machine bed. The machine platform is our 8-inch thick granite bed commonly referred to as bedrock. In this setup, we have a spool feeder with automatic payout and cut to work with a single length of wire. The feeder capstan delivers the wire to the open collet in the workhead area. The collet closes and the linear motor moves the workhead towards the grind zone. A sensor activates to close the grippers on the wire and the workhead opens the collet and retracts to the start grind position. The workhead closes the collet and translates forward to position the wire in front of the fourth axis wheel. The tip of the new wire is trimmed to create a zero linear position. Next, the workhead passes the wire in front of the primary wheel to grind the taper length and calibration lines. When this is completed, the workhead advances to the secondary grind zone and generates the flutes into the taper length. And the part is positioned in front of the secondary wheel for cut to length of exact finished dimensions. The finished file is deposited in the receptacle and the workhead retracts to repeat the process. No secondary work is needed after this process on the Royal Master model Gen X3. This whole part profile is ground and cut to length in one work holding in about 60 seconds depending on the part profile. This machine is completely automatic. It has CNC wheel dressing. It has 2 independent slideways, one for each grind zone. It has a coolant filter. It is available with an enclosure and a mist collection air filter. Raw material can be fed automatically from a spool. The new Royal Master Generation X3 puts an end to the multi-operation process of producing complex part profiles. No more separate process for each part profile feature. No more cut to length and deburred. No more pre-pointing. No more taper grind. No more fluting. No more grinding calibration lines. No more grinding flats. No more grinding chamfer on the back end. This is a single machine with capabilities to generate each of these features in a part with just one work holder. The Generation X3 has a user-friendly 17-inch touchscreen control with simple Microsoft Excel point-to-point programming language. No special skills are needed to program these complex parts. To learn more about the Generation X3 machine or to schedule a test grind of your part profile, contact us today at www.royalmaster.com. See us at booth 6646 in Chicago.